100 years of Japanese secret. Even at 90 years old, the skin is still as young as a teenager. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Since I was a child, my grandmother passed on to me a secret that she still uses to keep her skin smooth and her legs and arms healthy even in her 90s. She said, "In the aloe vera leaf, there is the coolness of heaven and earth. In the ginger root, there is the warmth of fire. When these two things meet, they will nourish both human skin and joints." It sounds simple, but the way she does it always makes me curious and remember. From separating each layer of clear aloe vera gel, blending it with fresh ginger, to soaking it with apple cider vinegar to create a folk miracle drug. The results are truly surprising to anyone who tries it. Bright, smooth, youthful skin, and joints become light and flexible. Today, I will share the entire recipe, the secret that she has kept, so that you can also apply it at home and feel the miraculous changes in your own body. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Prepare 1 large fresh aloe vera leaf. The larger the leaf, the more gel. Rinse aloe vera leaves under running water. Use a knife to cut off the 2 sharp thorns. Place the leaf on a cutting board, backside down. Use a knife to split the leaf in half. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Use a spoon to scrape out all the clear gel inside. Aloe vera gel contains a lot of water, helps moisturize and soothe dry skin. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, E, helps prevent wrinkles. Aloe vera helps promote collagen production, smooths skin, helps fade scars, cleanses skin, prevents acne, and heals wounds. Put the grated aloe vera gel into the blender. Don't throw away the green skin, set it aside. "50 grams fresh ginger." Ginger contains gingerol, shogaol, zingerone. These are active ingredients with natural pain-relieving properties. Ginger contains gingerol, shogaol, zingerone. These are active ingredients with natural pain-relieving properties. Wash ginger, chop 50 grams ginger. Then put in blender with aloe vera gel. Blend the mixture. Then filter with a sieve. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Clear gel part, set aside to make serum. The solid part, keep and put in a glass jar. Take the green skin of the aloe vera and cut it into small pieces. Put aloe vera skin, aloe vera pulp, and ginger in a glass jar. Add 100 milliliters apple cider vinegar. Mix well. Cover the jar tightly. Use a towel to wrap around the jar. And leave in a dark place for 21 days. After 21 days, take out the mixture. Apply to joints, wrists, veins. Massage gently to allow nutrients to penetrate deeply, helping to reduce pain and increase blood circulation. Aloe vera peel can be applied directly to the wrist, secured with plastic wrap and left overnight. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Remove it the next morning and you will feel light and comfortable. Next, take the filtered aloe vera gel, ginger, and put it in a glass jar. Melt 1 tablespoon of nut butter by soaking in hot water. Pour the nut butter into the aloe vera gel. Add 6 drops of vitamin E. Stirred. Apply to face and body morning and evening. Helps skin stay moist, firm, reduces wrinkles, and whitens naturally. Storage in the refrigerator. Use within 1 month. The undiluted gel can be used directly as a natural mask. Apply to skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with clean water. Helps brighten skin, smooth, and prevent acne. Storage in the refrigerator. Use within 1 week. The result after use: the skin is moisturized, becomes smooth and bright. Wrinkles gradually fade. The skin is more youthful. Joints, wrists, veins are relaxed. Pain is significantly reduced. The whole body is energized by warming ginger, cooling aloe vera. Perfect balance. With this formula, you can both nourish your skin and take care of your joint health, all from natural ingredients. Try one of these tips today, and if you have a better one, let me know. And remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Your support is what keeps me going and keeps me sharing more great kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.